In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fully automated SSL certificate monitoring system in n8n. By the end, you'll have a workflow that runs every day, checks multiple website SSL certificates, updates a Google Sheet with the latest details, and emails your team if anything is about to expire. No paid tools, no complex setup, just n8n, Google Sheets, and a free SSL API. We'll start by setting the system to wake up on its own. Use the schedule trigger node to run daily at 8 o'clock a.m. Think of it as your automation's alarm clock. Pick your time zone so the timing is consistent, and you won't need to touch it again. Next, let's pull the list of domains you want to monitor. Add a Google Sheets node configured to read data. Your sheet is the central place to add, remove, or share domains with your team. Make sure it has a column named URL. That's the only required column to begin. The node reads all rows and builds a clean list of domains to check one by one. Now we need the SSL details. Add an HTTP request node that calls a free public SSL checking service for each URL. It should return the domain name, the certificate's start date, the expiration date, and how many days remain. A quick tip: handle errors gracefully so a single unreachable site doesn't stop the entire run, and use the bare domain if a subdomain doesn't return data. With the data in hand, write it back to your sheet. Use another Google Sheets node set to update rows. Match rows by the URL column, then update fields like valid from, valid till, and days left. Your spreadsheet becomes a live dashboard of certificate health. If your team prefers a specific date format, standardize it here for easy sorting and filtering. Now add the logic that keeps your inbox quiet until it matters. Use an IF node to check whether days left is less than or equal to 7. You can adjust that threshold to suit your policy. If the condition isn't met, the workflow stops for that domain. When a certificate is close to expiring, send an alert. The email. Send node delivers a clear, formatted message including the domain and remaining days, along with a reminder to renew. Customize recipients, subject, tone, and branding, and make sure your email credentials are set up in n8n. Every morning at 8 o'clock a.m., the trigger starts. The sheet supplies the domains, certificates are checked, the sheet is updated, and any expiring certificates generate automatic emails. It's centralized, real-time, customizable, and scales from a handful of sites to hundreds. Later, you can extend it to notify Slack, create Jira tickets, send SMS, or post to Microsoft Teams. That's your complete, hands-off SSL expiry tracker in n8n. Set it once and let it watch your certificates every day.